Hi, where's table.expand TableColumn? So it explain here table.expand, and it even give you an example. And until I couldn't understand it until I came across this, right? I try to break it down, right? So first I have this list here. This will construct a table, and this is basically taken from the first part here. Table.from, right? Using records, create a table and give it a name. And so this is table.from right here, right? Oh, this table is now assigned to a, a column named hash, and there's another column here as well. So once you have this, right, then this is what they call, there is an inner table, right? That is it explain here that the inner table. This is the inner table is mentioned here. Okay, so once you have this, right, now this is very you are familiar with, right? So just click on this and click on this OK, and basically we are using the table.expand table column. So the first one is just this, follow the source step, and hash, you expand which column, right? The hash column, and from A, B, C become hash.A, hash.B, hash.C, right? That is what it means, right? As for B, it will now duplicate. So this is what it means that they expand to multiple rows, columns, right? Multiple rows and columns. So, yep. So I hope this is useful. Thank you.